Accept your past without regret, handle your present with confidence, and face your future without fear. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I'm going to tell you all 10 unknown facts about one of the most talented singers of Goa, who has sung popular songs like Bebdo, Piso, and many more. Yes, she is no other than the Nightingale of Goa, Lorna Cordero. So let's start. Number 1. In the 1970s, Lorna had signed a 20-year contract to sing exclusively for Chris Perry. However, after their disagreement on her 27th birthday in 1973, she did not perform for nearly 23 years, mainly because Perry would threaten or even strike anyone who would approach her to sing. Number 2. Lorna began working as a compounder in a dentist clinic to make her ends meet. Number 3. In 1995, music director Ronnie Montserrat, who had been a part of Perry's band, managed to convince her to sing again. After a year of hesitation, she agreed to perform in a concert titled Hello Lorna, which was directed by Montserrat. Number 4. On the day of the first show at Miramar Beach on 1st December 1995, Chris Perry came to the venue and showed the media the contract that she had signed not to sing with anyone else. He threatened to sue her if she violated the contract and managed to divert his old associates from performing with Lorna. After hiring new musicians, the concert began with Lorna performing Aikat Mazo Talo. Number 5. At her first show, people came in large number of crowds from near and far. The roads leading up to the venue were jammed with traffic for kilometers. Many of her fans had believed rumors of her death and they wanted to see if this is the same Lorna or someone using her name. 3 lakh people that evening realized that time may steal your youthful looks, but it cannot steal your talent, your God-given talent. Number 6. Bombay Velvet, the Bollywood film, is set in the 1960s, and Lorna's voice was inspirational to Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma. Anurag Kashyap says that Anushka's character is a tribute to Lorna. Number 7. In 1997, Lorna was awarded the title of Best Female Singer, and in 2015, she was presented with a Lifetime Achievement Award. Number 8. The main reason for Lorna's comeback is that her mother told her that she wanted to hear her once before she dies. It's a gift of God, you should not let it go waste for one man, she said. Number 9. Her mother Cecilia died on 4th March 2002, a month after her 89th birthday. Number 10. Those who knew Chris Perry well blame her for ruining his life, while Lorna's close friends allege that he first used her and then deceived her into the contract. No one seems to know why the two fell apart. While Lorna says, I can forgive but not forget. So these were some unknown facts about living legend Lorna Cordero. Hope you liked it. माझ्या चॅनलाक सबस्क्राईब करूंक विसरो नाकात. देव बरें करूं.